That is so weird. Why would they send me that? Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Candace. Thank you so much for joining me. And on this video, we're going to be unboxing the Birchbox and the Allure Beauty Box, both for January 2020. These boxes are both $15 per month and they both came today, so I figured we could do a battle of the boxes. I think we should get into the Birchbox first, since that is already one box that I open on my channel regularly, and then we will dive into the Allure and see what they have, because that'll be the first time I'm unboxing this on my channel. While I am opening this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and click on that notification bell so you guys do not miss a future upload of mine. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. All right, let's see what we have. I am actually having really high hopes for this box. Actually, for both of these boxes, I've had nothing but really good luck with the boxes so far for the year. If you guys missed any of those unboxings, definitely go ahead and check them out. So this is what the box looks like from Birchbox. It's almost like a watercolor type painting, polka dot painting, I guess. And it's one of these pull drawers again, which is kind of cute. So go ahead and pull it out. So the yellow card and some like limey green tissue paper is what I am greeted with. So this is just the card that you get, Birchbox tip. So the tip for this month is tip number 23. That's the one I got. It's easier to prevent dry skin than fix it. So change your nighttime skincare routine if you wake up with dry skin. So that's their little tip of the day. This is what I see when I open up my box. Right off the bat, I feel like this is really a small box. I know my other boxes are $25, but this is $15. I just feel like it's it looks really small. So right away, I have a beauty protector, protect and detangle, leave-in detangler. So this is just in a spray bottle. Let me see. It smells a little bit like baby oil mixed with bug spray. So that's that. Next item I see here is from Marcel. This is a curling and lightweight mascara. In black, I presume. I'm sure it's in black. Why would it be in any other color? Okay. It doesn't say, but I'm sure it's a black mascara. Next thing I see in here is from Dr. Lip. It's the original nipple balm. Wait, why are they sending me? For dry skin, luxurious lips and glossy bits. 100% natural. Oh, Birchbox. Okay, that is so weird. Why would they send me that? So it's to rehydrate skin and lips and soothe sunburns, tame unruly brows, and nourish cuticles. Next up in here, I see from Oral-B. This is a Super Shine Moisturizing Cream for your hair. So this can actually be a styler or a leave-in conditioner. So they're sort of giving you like two leave-in hair products. And last but not least is in this little jar. It says not for resale on it, and it is by Botanic Beauty Butter, Lip, and Cheek Balm. All right, you guys, I am not like loving anything in particular in here for me. So what I'm going to do, as you guys know, I'm running a giveaway right now. I am going to give an entire Birchbox away. Does that sound good to anybody? Anybody want my Birchbox? Go ahead and get entered to win my whole Birchbox. That giveaway is taking place right now, and I will be drawing a winner at the end of January. So definitely get into that. All you need to do to enter the giveaway is to be subscribed to my channel. So if you're already subscribed, all you're going to have to do is email me at CandaceMarieGiveaway@gmail.com. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and then you can go ahead and email me. In the subject line, go ahead and put January giveaway, and that will enter you into this Birchbox. I'm giving you my whole Birchbox, okay? If you missed my other unboxings, I'm also giving you an item or two, actually two so far from each box. So it's going to be a really nice giveaway. Definitely get entered to win that. Now we are off to opening up the Allure beauty box, which I am now a little bit nervous to open. I had really high hopes for the Birchbox. It's definitely not my favorite Birchbox. I don't feel like it was worth the $15 that I spent on it, but I mean, you guys will probably like it for the giveaway. All right, Allure Beauty, $15 a month. Right on top, a little, what is this? Oh, a little pamphlet, probably just telling us everything that we got in here. I don't want to really go through it because I want to be surprised with you guys. This looks a lot more full than my Birchbox. Did you guys know that with Allure you get 2 full-size products every month? I did not know that. I thought they were all like sample size products. So let's see. I'm going to start with the biggest item in here. This item is from Tarte. It says black, so this is a mascara. A full-size Tarte mascara. This is awesome. I love this. It's like a bamboo type of a case here. I love these. So hopefully it works really good. Just a standard, regular standard wand. Nothing too fancy with the wand action here. But this is full size. How much are these full size? Like regular? Are they like 20 bucks, right? $23. So my box was 15. This is 23. Boom, done. Everything else is a free bonus, right? Okay, next in here we have Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. Come on, camera, focus. This is by Philosophy. This is a really good brand too. Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. Awesome. Absorb right into the skin. It's not oily or sticky whatsoever. It has a very faint, clean smell. It's nothing overpowering. Nothing like very heavy like with perfume or anything. Just a really nice, soft smell. And it's actually very, very smoothing. Love this one too. What is this? This is by Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. Almost smells like beeswax. It has almond and castor seed oil along with beeswax to lock in moisture. So this is supposed to be super hydrating, perfect for this kind of weather when it's all over the place. Next thing in here, we have a Perfect Shine Oil Mist Color and Heat Protectant Spray. Allure. Allure is doing so good. I still have 2 more items in here. The next one is from Kate Somerville, and this is an intensive exfoliating treatment. I'm gonna go ahead and pass this item along because I got a full-size exfoliator in one of my other boxes this month. And the final item in here is the VitaBird C12 Dual Drop Serum. Ooh, nice. So this is the vitamin C serum. Put a little drop on my hand. Whoa, it absorbed really, really, really fast. This absorbed super quick. I love it that it didn't like leave my hand feeling oily or anything, just absorbed right into the skin. Okay, I loved this Allure box. This was a really good box, you guys. For $15, I really liked this one because this alone, the Tarte mascara, this alone was already $23. So we did awesome. So that's what I got this month. This is the Allure and this is the Birchbox. I am loving the Allure. It was a really nice box. I just feel like Birchbox needs to step it up because this box was not my favorite box. And that's kind of the thing with subscription boxes. So you never know what you're going to get. You just kind of have to go with the flow. Some months are better, some months are worse. But, I mean, for this to be considered a sample, like, I'm not really feeling it. So, hopefully one of you guys will like it because, like I said, you're going to get an entire Birchbox for the giveaway along with the other items from my other boxes. So these are the goodies you're going to be getting with the giveaway. Go ahead and get entered to win that if you are not already entered. You only need to enter once, so if you're watching this video and you're already entered, you don't have to enter again. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me if you would go ahead and do that for me. While you are there subscribing, go ahead and click on that notification bell so you do not miss a future upload. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That would be awesome. And get signed up for the giveaway if you are not already entered to win. Until we meet again, you guys, ciao Bella!